Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore how to use Todoist for tracking professional certifications. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Todoist app. Now, if you don't have one yet, you can quickly download it from your App Store. It's a fantastic tool for managing tasks, projects, and in this case, tracking your professional certifications. Once you're in, let's create a new project. Just click on the plus icon and name it Professional Certifications. This helps us because it keeps all of our certification-related tasks in one organized place. Now that we've done that, let's add tasks. Each certification course or exam you're planning to take should be a task. To do this, click on Add Task, then write the name of the certification. You can even set a due date for when you plan to complete it. The reason we do this is to give ourselves a visible timeline and deadline. It helps us stay committed and on track. Next up, we'll add subtasks. Click on the task you just created and add subtasks like Study for Exam, Complete Coursework, or Submit Application. These are the smaller steps you need to take to achieve your main task, earning that certification. This helps us because it breaks down a big goal into manageable steps, making it less overwhelming. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you complete each subtask and task, you're not just crossing items off your list, you're progressing towards your goal. This visual representation of your progress can be quite motivating. Finally, don't forget to use labels and priorities. Labels can help you categorize your tasks. For example, you can use a study label for tasks related to studying. Priorities help you identify what needs your immediate attention. Just assign a priority level to your task, with P1 being the highest. This helps us because it aids in prioritizing and organizing our tasks more efficiently. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Todoist for tracking professional certifications effectively. Remember, the key is to break down your certification journey into smaller, manageable tasks and keep track of your progress. Good luck and see you in the next video.